Hello YouTube denizens, David Storm here with Picklocks.com, and I am using Swick with a DeForest pick, and we're going to see how fast we can do 12 master padlocks. So let's get started. Just doing a raking motion, which is the quickest way to defeat these. There's one. There's two. Three. Choosing a different size tension tool. Swick comes with 6 different tension tools, so it's nice to be able to choose which tension tool fits your needs best. Each one is going to use a different tool, and having the right tension tool obviously makes all the difference in the world. In real life, if you are picking and trying to learn lock picking, you don't get a lock after a few minutes. Go ahead and set it aside and come back to it. You'll find when you return to it after picking a few other locks, oftentimes that lock will just fall right open for you. So yeah, don't pay too much attention to a lock that's stubborn, because when you come back to it, oftentimes you'll find, like I say, that it will fall right open, especially masters. Not that there's much to these, but it is sometimes satisfying to just power through some of these with a little raking motion. Of course, there's always that one. There it is. So, 12 master padlocks in 3 minutes 44 seconds. For Picklocks.com, I'm David Storm.